because I equal fun.
Carp Media.
Here we are in sunny Playa del Carmen, Mexico. This place is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to show you what this place entails because it's not just Playa del Carmen. There's many other features, and I'm going to show it to you. One of my students asked me, Mr. Carp, show me Mexico, and that's what I'm doing. I bought a plane ticket, jumped on a plane, and made it especially for her and you all as well. Mexico is absolutely incredible, so let's go. Vamos. So that is a wrap on Playa del Carmen and its surroundings. You can't get a more jam-packed, more wild vacation than this. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Carp Media. I shall see you soon. Ciao.